You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So this word is a little bit confusing. There are quite a few different pronunciations. Now, as a noun, in British English, it's said as contrary, contrary. Now, as an adjective, in British English, it's said as contrary, contrary. Now, in American English, as a noun, it's said as contrary, 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 while as an adjective, it's said as contrary, contrary. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.